Hello friends, I am Abhishek from Exam Preparation Guruji. I am a professional math trainer and an IT engineer with more than 6 years of experience. Today I will discuss how to find shortcut method of square root and squares of double digit number within 5 seconds. So please watch the video and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So friends, today I will show you how you can solve square root within few seconds. Okay, let's take an example. So I am taking 23 as an example. So the method is you have to calculate what is the nearest perfect square value of 23. We know that is 25. So we can write as a 25 minus 2. So square root of 25 is 5. Same symbol minus the value is 2 by double of these 0.2. So 5 minus 0.2 is 4.8. You can also check in the calculator, it will be the same value. Okay, this time I am taking another value, that is 105. So tell me, what is the nearest perfect square value of 105? 100, we know. So we can write as a 100 plus 5, right? So square root of 100 is 10 only, plus the value is 5 and double of 10 is 20. So 1 by 4.25, correct? So 10 plus 0.25, 10.25. You can also check, the value will be same in calculator itself, 10.25. It's very easy and within a second. Okay, so I'm taking another value and this time you will tell me what is the answer. Very fast, tell me within few seconds. Square root 48, right? So we can write as a 49 minus 1. Square root of 49 means 7 minus 1 by double of 7 is 14. So 0.07, right? 7 minus 0.07, that is 6.93, right? You can also check in calculator, it would be the same value. Okay, very simple, right? Within few seconds you can calculate the square root of double triple digit. Okay, now I will discuss about the square. So before discussing the square, I just going to write a list of the values. 1 square we will write as a 0 1, 2 square we will write as a 0 4, 3 square 0 9, 4 square 16 and so on. Now I am taking the same example, 23 square. In this example we will calculate these both the integers 2 and 3, 2 square and 3 square. 2 square we know 0 4 from here, 3 square we know 0 9 from here. We have to skip the integer place, I mean unit place, and now 2 and 3, 6 into 2 is 12, correct? So 9, 2 and 5, that's it, 529. You can also see the square of 23 is 529 only. Okay, I am taking another number, 48 square. Tell me, 4 square is 16, 64, skip, 32, 64, 4, 10, 1, carry 1, 12, 13, carry 1, 2. That's it, very easy, and within 2-3 seconds you can calculate this. Okay, now I will tell you another example. This is the last example, 45. So guys, this is a tweak. Whenever a number has the last digit 5, you can calculate in two methods. This is the first method. Another method is you have to see what is the next value of the first digit. 4, next digit is 5. You need to multiply these both. 5 into 4, that is 20, and 5 square, that is 25. That's it. You can also see in the calculator, you will get the same value, 2025. And as per the first method, 45 square, you can see 4 square 16, 5 square 25, skip unit place, 4 5 20, 40, correct. 5 2 10, carry 1 2, that's it. So guys, how is it? It's very simple, right? And very fast. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment your valuable feedback.